Fellas, it's time to take care of down there.
I guess I have let my bottom half go.
Use Manscaped's Lawn Mower 4.0.
Who doesn't like the gift of smooth?
The only tool with the performance and precision you need.
In your sensitive areas.
This trimmer features skin-safe technology to help reduce the risk of nicking cuts when it comes to trimming privates. And because it's waterproof, you can trim the field, rain or shine.
So you can have a smooth and comfortable grooming experience wherever.
But when it comes to the full-on package,
I have the perfect gift for you. Manscaped Performance Package 4.0.
My nose hair grows like a caveman.
Thank goodness for evolution, huh?
That was rude.
first things first, the weed whacker. It whacks your weeds.
Super easy and you groomed from head to toe.
He's so smooth.
But just imagine how amazing your groin will smell after using the Crop Preserver Ball Deodorant.
It's smooth. It's smooth. You can feel the glide on it.
Your balls will thank you.
Next up is the Crop Reviver, which is a ball toner. Just a little spritz on there and then he's good all night.
I really like that.
For a limited time, you get all of this plus 2 free gifts. The Shed Travel Bag and the Manscaped Anti-Chafing Boxer Briefs. Trust me, you need this.
That's a lot, you guys. He's gonna be clean, smooth, and fresh.
Let's trim up and let's hit the town, baby.
So what are you waiting for? Get your privates ready for action and order today at manscaped.com.